Hey guys, so we have some super old slime that's been lying around looking like a blob of misery. So we've decided to do a makeover for these slime and also make a challenge to create yummy foods out of them. So try to resist how delicious they look. So anyways, we have this orange clear slime we found that's probably a few months old now. So we decided to cut up this sponge into smaller cubes and turn it into a honeycomb. It never hurts to add some glitter, guys. Next up, we found this container filled with dried up brown slime that looked so gross. The color was not that pretty. It looked kind of like dirt. For us to get this slime looking more food-like, we're gonna fix the color by adding brown acrylic paint. It's now starting to look more like peanut butter. We also have this old purple clear slime we found where the coloring was starting to separate from the slime. Definitely not the prettiest slime. So at this point we're going to make a peanut butter jelly sandwich slime. To do this we ripped up some foam to give it a more strawberry-like texture. Then added in a bit more red coloring to make it look closer to the color of strawberry jam, or jelly, whatever you want to call it. Finally, we added in this black glitter because glitter makes everything prettier, or better, both. So now it's time to prepare the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Anyways, we found this tub of slime lying around, which was getting really cloudy and had random bits of tiny hairs in it. I blame the cat. The slime was also way too sticky and just felt gross. So we're gonna turn this into an apple crumble slime. First, we'll need to color the slime with yellow and red food coloring to get orange. Also, to fix the stickiness, we added in a bit more activator. Once it's all mixed in, it's time to add in some cinnamon spice to give it the color and look of an apple crumble. Apple crumble? How do I say it? Next, we found these cube sponges from an old slime, which we can use as the apple part of the slime. Wow guys, look! It's already starting to look like an apple crumble. Okay, now for the crumbs. To make the crumbs, we'll need to mix brown coloring in cornstarch. Make sure to add in the coloring slowly so it doesn't clump together too big. Now for the big reveal. After putting this all together into this super aesthetic glass, it looked so good and it made me really hungry looking at it. To top it off, we put an ice cream scoop made with soft clay. Well, since we can't eat slime, it's time to start playing with it. Let me know down below which one your favorite was. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell to make sure you get notified of our 3 slime videos a week, and let us know and request what slimes you'd like to see on this channel. See you guys next time. Bye. Love you.